let's have like, let me just remove background first and add border. 1 pixel solid red. Our text is white. So you can see this border, this border, this border, this border. Okay. What do you, let me remove shadow this time around. What do you now understand by outline? Outline is a color. I don't want all this again. Outline is a border style outside border. This is border. So the way I put this border, let me put outline the same way. Outline, and see how it works. It should not be green. You can see it is outside. You see, this green is what is called outline. Outline. While the second one, this red, is border. So that is how outline and border works. So either you use border or you use outline. Okay. Now, what we are adding, solid, this and that, how we have many of it. You can use the same thing you are using here. You can use dotted, you see, dotted. You can use dashed, insets, and others. Let me list them for you here. Now the first one, you can use dotted. So it will be like dotted. You can use dashed. You can use solid. You can use double, blue. You can use ribbed. You can use inset. You can use outset. You can use none. You can use it. So let's see how this one will work. Let me take only this one. So no much difference. Let's use double. No much difference also. But if you check it very well, you see that it is double. You see, it's double. Let me increase it here. Yes, you can see it's double, two. So what we used before, group. Let me increase this one so that you can see it very well. You can see that group. It combines two colors together. Okay. Let's discuss more on how you can style your text. You see all the text inside this div. Let me start the text. If you want all the text to have underline, is either you do it like this one. Maybe you want this one to have underline. You put it inside U, or that U means underline. You can see is underline. You put it inside I, it will be italics. You put it inside B, it will be bold. Okay. How can I now achieve it in CSS? I can achieve it like this. Let's say text decoration should be underlined. You can see everything is underlined here. Everything is underlined. Okay. What about overline? All the text are above. You see, they are above. So that is overline. What about line through? You see, so that is simple way to do that. All right. What about if you want spaces? Spaces like this, letter, letter spacing. Let me use 20 pixel. That means space between each letter. L after L 20 pixel, another letter, 20 pixel, another letter. So that means if I reduce it to like 5, you can see that space between the letter. And we have another one, word. So that the space between each word. You can see space between each word. So that is what is called word spacing. Okay, what if you want to the height like in Microsoft Word, line height. The height, that is the height here, height here, height. How can you increase the height? That is what is called line height. So let's put 20 pixel. Okay, small. Let's use 60 pixel. So you can see the height between the first line and the second line. And to change the font style, maybe you want it to be italics. You can see it bends. If you want it to be bold, that one it is not under font style, it is under font width, bold. If you want to be more bold, use bolder. If you want it to be little bit bold, you can use value, maybe 600, you see, maybe 500, you see, maybe 1000. So you can use value to determine how bold you want this thing to be. Alright, what if you want to change all the text to uppercase, lowercase? Just put text transform uppercase. Everything is now in uppercase. What about lowercase? It's now in lowercase. What about capital? Capitalize like sentence. You see. So no, sorry. See, capitalize is every word will begin with big letter. So you can see. So okay. How will you comment? If you want to comment all your code here, okay, let me comment only this one so that it's not wrong. You see that everything, you see the way everything looks. You see everything, every word with capital letter. If you don't want this one to run again, you want to comment in the CSS, you comment like this. Then you close your comment like this. So if you save this and run it, you see that style did not work. Okay.